Hi, and welcome back to 959 Phonics. Today we're going to do some word work and learning about words in less than 10 minutes so that you can take this stuff that you've learned back and read independently and write independently. We're going to start with the rhyme spelling sort. If you have the worksheet, grab the worksheet. If you don't have it, just grab a piece of paper and split it into two columns. In one column, you're going to head it with the rhyme pattern ace. In the other column, you're going to head it with the rhyme pattern old. Today, we're going to be writing words that have the ace rhyme pattern and words that have the old rhyme pattern. So the first word that I want you to write is the word races. My son races to get to the car first. So it's going to have this part, ace, in it. So go ahead, what's the first part? Write it under the ace part. Write the magic rhyme, ace, and the ending, races. Put that ending on and then check it. Let's try the word coldest. It was the coldest night in history. Has this old part. Okay, go ahead with the first part, the magic rhyme, and the ending. And go ahead and check it. Coldest. Let's spell the word tracing. I was tracing a picture. Has this part ace? So go ahead with the first part, tr, magic rhyme, and the ending. Remember when we add an ing ending, we drop the E and add ing. Go ahead and check it. Tracing. Let's do the word braces. Maybe you wear braces on your teeth. Braces. Has this ace part. Ready? First part. Magic rhyme. And the ending. Braces. And check it. Let's do the word boldness. Speak with boldness when you have something important to say. Has this part old? Okay, what's the first part? The magic rhyme. And the ending is a suffix this time, boldness. Has 4 letters. Check it and see if you're right. Boldness. Let's spell the word raced. My boys raced home. Raced. First part, magic rhyme, and the ending. And go ahead and check it. Let's spell the word folded. I folded the piece of paper. Folded. First part, magic rhyme, and the ending. And check it. Folded. This time it was an ED ending. Sometimes ED can make that did sound. All right, last one. Let's spell the word golden. The goose laid a golden egg. Has the old chunk. Okay, first part, magic rhyme, and the ending. And check it. Okay, for the next part, we're going to make a big word. These are the letters that you'll need to make the big word. If you have the letter cards and you still need to cut those out, go ahead and pause the video and cut those out. If you don't have the letter cards, you can just rip off a piece of paper and make your own. We're going to make the word slightly. We're going to do it slightly slowly, which means kind of slowly. Go ahead and pull down your letters to make the word slightly. Let's break the word slightly and say each part. Slightly. This IGHT says it. And what I really want you to pay attention to is this IGH that has that long I sound. Sometimes you'll see IGH together and it makes that long I sound. We're going to spell some words that have that IGH part in them. I want you on your paper where it says spell the word to write out these big words. If you don't have the worksheet, that's okay. You can just write them on a blank piece of paper. I'm going to make them up here so that I can break them apart and you can see each part as you're spelling it. But you're going to write it as a full word. Let's write the word rightful. Rightful. So if I write the first part, then write that vowel pattern, I-G-H-T, and then this is a suffix, full. Great. Can you write the word frightful? I'm just going to add one letter to the beginning. You write the word frightful. Let's break it apart. Frightful. Are you ready for the challenge word of the day? The challenge word of the day is brightness. The moon shone with brightness. So think about the first part. Think about this vowel pattern that we learned today. And think about that suffix ness that we had in boldness, but now we went in brightness. I want you to take your paper and show it to an adult. Read some of these words that we've written today. Maybe even tell them about this IGH pattern that says I. It has that long I sound. And I will see you next time for 9:59 Phonics.